everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm actually recording this in my room, and I'm doing a draw my life of a not existing person. It's not even a person, it's a word. Let's get on with it. Okay, so I'm doing a draw my life for beatboxing itself, so yeah. Let's get on with it. Beatboxing was created in the 1970s by a man named Doug E. Fresh. Hello, Doug. Hi. Okay, so Doug made beatboxing a thing, and it went viral in the 1980s. So really, now everyone is doing it. So now, like I said, everyone was doing beatboxing. Well, not everyone, but a lot of people were doing beatboxing in the 1980s. And tutorials of beatboxing first came out in doop-a-doop-a-doo. The first tutorial came out in 2001, which is in the 2000s. Okay, so I finished erasing all that. Boop. So let's move on to the next 2 decades. So now the first tutorial came out, and that's when it started spreading even more. So here's Doug. Here is everyone in the 1980s. Here is when the tutorial started coming out. Oh boy. So now we're in the 2020s. It's beatboxing's 50th birthday. So, happy birthday to you! Actually, that reminds me, I know I play Happy Birthday to You on the keyboard, but I'll show you that at the end of the video. Before we move on, I have a quiz for you, and this time it won't have any crazy answers, just normal answers. What color is Molly? I will not show you Molly. If you've seen Molly before, good for you. If you have not, bad for you. Here's a hint. You may want to look back to my other videos. Let's say the 3rd or 4th one. Okay, let's move on now. Okay, so currently there's only about 1,000 famous beatboxers in the world. To be precise, it's 972. So, yeah. I just erased this too. Do 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 do. Okay, so you just heard that, and yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.